the world. West Memphis, Arkansas, 6 feet 9 inches, 317 pounds, power bomb. WWE champion, WCW world champion, United States champion. Nitro, September 27th, 1999. When Sid discovered his car destroyed by a compactor, he knew exactly who the culprit was: Goldberg. Okay, working out here. On the phone today. Okay. Okay, apparently with this gym bag, it's nice. But I might actually stick with them because it's pretty like. Or about those units. I think it's the first time I've actually seen somebody come with a gym bag. Sheesh. Talk about everybody do the Macarena. Yeah, it's the first time I've actually seen someone come with a bag. I like it. Now, they only just came with a messenger bag, but this is actually pretty cool. I said vicious, but it's actually a accessory I really like. Got okay. Okay. That's that. See you next time.